Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're checking out the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop Cleaner, model 20393. This innovative mop is designed to make your hard floor cleaning routine faster, easier, and more effective without the need for heavy scrubbing. If you're tired of bending over to scrub away dirt, stains, and sticky messes, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. The Bissell SpinWave uses powerful, machine-powered scrubbing pads to tackle tough messes, making it a game changer for sealed floors like wood, tile, and linoleum. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust or stubborn, dried stains, this mop promises to lift them effortlessly with minimal effort on your part. But what exactly sets it apart from other mops on the market? First off, it's all about the scrub power. The SpinWave has a corded design, meaning you won't have to worry about battery life, and it provides consistent power throughout your entire cleaning session. The machine-powered scrubbing pads are capable of rotating, applying just the right amount of pressure to break up dirt and debris without damaging your floors. It's like having an extra set of hands doing the scrubbing for you. This mop is engineered to be safe on all sealed floors. Whether you're working with hardwood, tile, or linoleum, it protects your investment while lifting up sticky spills and other hard-to-remove messes. The mop glides easily, so there's no need for excessive elbow grease. The on-demand targeted spray feature allows you to dispense the Bissell formula exactly where it's needed. Just press the button, and the solution is released exactly where you want it, eliminating waste and ensuring an efficient clean. The adjustable spray mechanism is a thoughtful touch, giving you control over the cleaning solution and ensuring you don't use more than necessary. When it comes to design, the SpinWave is lightweight and incredibly easy to maneuver. Its swivel head lets you clean under furniture and around tight corners without having to bend down or move heavy objects. It also works well along baseboards, ensuring that every corner of your room gets a proper clean. This mop's compact size makes it perfect for apartments or homes with limited storage space, yet it's still durable enough for larger cleaning sessions. As for maintenance, the SpinWave includes 6 reusable mop pads. This not only saves you money, but also helps reduce waste, making it a more eco-friendly option than disposable alternatives. Plus, it comes with 3 travel-size bottles of Bissell's cleaning formula, giving you everything you need for 6 complete cleaning sessions right out of the box. Now, let's talk about how the Bissell SpinWave performs in real-world situations. Setting it up is incredibly simple. Just plug it in, add the solution, and you're ready to start. During our testing, we found it was especially effective on hard floors, lifting dust and sticky spills without much effort. The machine-powered scrubbing pads are a real asset, giving you an even, consistent clean. We also put it to the test on dried stains, and while it didn't completely erase all traces in one pass, it certainly made a noticeable improvement. If you're the type of person who wants a perfect showroom-ready floor, you might need to do a little extra spot cleaning after your initial pass. Cleaning under furniture was surprisingly easy. The lightweight design and swivel head made it possible to reach areas we didn't expect, even under couches and tables. It glides well, but be mindful of its reach. If your furniture is too low to the ground, it might not get as close as you'd like. The spray feature is efficient, although it could be more consistent at times. While the solution release works well for most of the time, there are instances where it didn't dispense as expected, especially when moving the mop too quickly. A slower pace ensures better spray control, so that's something to keep in mind during use. One of the most notable benefits is the cleaning pads. The 6 reusable pads make this a much more sustainable choice compared to other models, and they're easy to rinse out and reuse. After a few sessions, we did notice some wear on the pads, but they still perform decently. As for the noise level, the SpinWave is quieter than most traditional vacuums, but it still produces a bit of noise due to the spinning motion of the pads. It's not disruptive, but you won't exactly be able to hear a pin drop while using it. Now onto the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great option for anyone who wants a hands-off floor cleaning experience. The machine-powered scrubbing pads are a huge plus, and the on-demand spray mechanism helps eliminate waste while delivering a focused clean. The fact that it comes with 6 reusable pads also a standout feature, saving you time and money in the long run. However, there are a couple of downsides. For one, the spray feature could use a bit more consistency, as it sometimes fails to dispense the solution evenly. Additionally, if you have particularly low furniture or need to clean under deeply set items, you may find the mop head can't reach all the way. While it's effective on most hard floors, it's not as powerful as a traditional scrub brush, especially for extremely tough stains. It's also worth noting that the corded design might limit mobility in larger spaces, so you'll need to make sure you have access to enough outlets or an extension cord for optimal reach. In terms of value for money, this mop holds up pretty well. When you compare it to other corded or cordless mops on the market, the SpinWave provides a solid balance between performance, design, and ease of use. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the inclusion of reusable pads, along with the effective scrubbing system, makes it a reasonable investment for anyone who's serious about maintaining their hard floors. Comparing it to similar products, the SpinWave stands out for its scrub power and eco-friendly design. Other competitors in this category, such as the Hoover Floor Mate or the Shark Steam Pocket Mop, offer similar features but often lack the machine-powered scrubbing functionality. If you want a mop that really does the scrubbing for you, this is one of the better choices. Build quality-wise, the Bissell SpinWave feels solid, but the plastic components do have a slightly cheaper feel compared to more premium models. However, the overall durability seems fine, and it's easy to clean and maintain. The reusable pads hold up well after multiple uses, though they may need a good rinse after every session to keep them in top shape. Long-term, we expect the SpinWave to perform decently over time, though, like with any appliance, regular maintenance is key to ensuring longevity. The corded design might limit its appeal for those who prefer the freedom of a cordless vacuum, but the consistent power output can be a pro for people who want uninterrupted cleaning sessions. If you're someone who likes to keep their home looking pristine without the effort of hand scrubbing, this is a great option to consider. It's particularly well suited for those with sealed hard floors and a need for a lightweight, efficient cleaning tool. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt or tackling sticky spills, the Bissell SpinWave makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. Thanks for watching today's review. You can find the product link in the comments box below. If you have any questions or have already used this mop, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Goodbye till next time, and remember, here at Reviews Inside TV, we're always sweeping up the best deals for you.